I would say like right now our focus is more on like NFT artists and like influencer types. Like that's our very narrow target market right now. But as we grow, what we really want to target is just anybody that uses Instagram or TikTok, all these Web2 native platforms. We want those platforms to evolve, I guess is the right word to say. We want that shift to happen where, like right now, there's an issue where you can choose to have like this decentralized ownable system, but at the cost of UI and UX, and at the cost of value, like actual money, monetary value, right? Versus all these free systems that take your data. They're not actually free. They take your data and sell it. Or we want the shift to happen where we can provide both, right? Like those are not mutually exclusive things. Obviously there's has to be a lot of different there has to be a lot of different companies and a lot of different startups working on all the different pieces to that problem. But what's awesome about Web3 is that we build to make our stuff composable. We build to have other people build with our tools, with our systems, with the things that we make. That's how we derive the most value from this stuff. So 5 years down the road, what we want to see Huddln be is we want it to be something that everybody uses as like a social media platform, but they don't care that it's blockchain. They don't care that it's NFTs. They don't care about all this other stuff. They care about the value that they're deriving, which is, you have this social audience, you have ways to make an income, you have fun ways to communicate with people, right? You can do all these kinds of things. But what we really want to see is wherever the platform goes and wherever the community takes it, our overall vision is to have a social platform that's decentralized, it's owned by the community, and that is not necessarily focused on the underlying technology anymore, because we've gotten to a point where everything's stable enough to really lift off and go to the next stage, which is like you never see like if people claiming my app's running on AWS or Google Cloud, like because we're still at the beginning stage where people are still talking about serverless stuff. People are still talking about decentralization because those are the buzzwords of the tech. It's still at
Yeah.
the beginning. But what we want to see is 5 years from now that people are talking about the features of Huddling, not necessarily what it's built